All right. Hi, welcome to Reinke's first Facebook Live event. I am Travis Miller. My title here at Reinke is New Dealer Development Supervisor.
So how long have you been with Reinke?
I've been with Reinke Manufacturing for just over 20 years now. I first started out in shipping. I stopped by for a seasonal job, and I drove forklift and helped load irrigation, international machines. And then I moved on to tech support, where I spent a little over 11 years in tech support. And in that job, I taught a lot of schools, about service schools. I've traveled the country, traveled the world in that job. And because of that job, I've got to walk on the Great Wall of China. I've been to the Kremlin. I've been to Australia. Been to a lot of different areas like that. Then I moved up into the sales department, spent about a year and a half there. And then I moved on to marketing, which is now where my new dealer development title is at.
So how do you help the new dealers?
What we do is we bring the new dealers into Reinke here at the headquarters, and we take them through a 2-day class called New Dealer Orientation. And through that class, we introduce them to all the people here in the office. We also go through and teach them all the different kind of programs we have available for like designing machines, ordering machines, so on and so forth, and even how to place orders.
So what are some common questions you get as a new dealer supervisor?
Most of the time it is on how to design a pivot. Some questions about sales programs and things along those lines, but most of the time it's, hey, how do I make this program work the way I want it to? How do I get this pivot to show up on this field in one of our programs?
So what software exactly do you use to design the irrigation systems?
What we use is Reinke's. We have our own system. It's called RDP, or Reinke Design Pro. What that system consists of, or that program, is we will go out to the field and use a GPS recorder and record the boundary of the field, any obstacles, any hills, anything along those lines. You can import that into that Reinke design program. And then from there, we can design the pivot to match that field exactly. We can also do lateral moves. We could also install swing arms and super swing arms onto those pivots. So we know for a fact that that pivot is going to be exactly in the best spot on that field to get the maximum acreage.
So are there any other resources for dealers?
Oh yeah, we have quite a few other resources around. We have different programs available. We have one called LMS, we call it. That is the Learning Management System. What that is a portal or a place for our dealers and all of their employees to come to. And we put on different schools, different programs on there. It teaches you how to operate programs like RDP. Also has a lot of our marketing software and marketing programs available for the dealership to use. We also have an RDSS program, which is it's an online portal, more on the same too, that the dealer can go in and see different diagrams. They can go through and order parts, different things along those lines. There's also one of the best deals we have here, honestly, besides software, is just our network of people inside the headquarters here at Reinke Manufacturing. We all know each other. It's a really, really good place.
So what are some of the best features of a Reinke system?
Well, the best features, besides the system itself, our dealers are probably the best ones out there by far. It's probably one of our highlights of our machines. As for structure-wise, though, I'd have to say that the wide bases that we have available, the lightweight, high-strength steel that we use to build our machines, and also our bellies of our under trussing is a little bit deeper to keep our center of gravity a little lower. So what that all combines together is a lighter weight machine, so there's no compaction on the soil, that can still climb hills and withstand wind very, very well.
So what are some of the benefits of becoming a Reinke dealer?
Some of the benefits of becoming a Reinke dealer is becoming part of that Reinke network we have. All of our dealer network, the network here at headquarters. You really become part of the Reinke family. Reinke's is still a family-owned business at this point, and it's really good. It's the best part about it by far, is just the network that you become part of.
So how do you become a Reinke dealer then?
Well, the best way to become a Reinke dealer is go to Reinke.com on the website, and on there is a link that says More, and you can drop down the More, and inside there says Become a Reinke dealer, and I'll ask you a few questions, and then our territory manager will get a hold of you, and we'll start the process from there if you qualify. All right, since there's no questions from anybody, I guess we'll conclude our first Facebook Live deal. Again, I'm Travis Miller, New Dealer Development Supervisor. Thanks again for watching. Check us out in 1 month. We'll have another person in here doing this, and the hashtag Meet the Reinke Team.